But even he was left speechless. Astonished, he looked at the latest data sent back by one of humanity's oldest explorers, Voyager 2, still pressing forward into the eternal night. Something different. Something unsettling. What had Voyager 2 found at the edge of the known universe? What could possibly shock scientists so deeply that it would send ripples across the entire scientific community? And could this discovery signal that everything we thought we knew about our solar system is wrong? Launched in 1977, Voyager 2 was never meant to be a legend. It was built for a modest 5-year mission to study Jupiter and Saturn. But against all odds, this humble spacecraft defied time, technology, and distance. It ventured past Uranus, past Neptune, past everything we could imagine, and then it just kept going. Year after year, mile after mile, Voyager 2 pushed forward into the abyss. Its twin, Voyager 1, made headlines in 2012 when it crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and the true unknown begins. In 2018, Voyager 2 followed, confirming what many feared and few dared to believe: the edge of our solar system is not what we thought it was. Scientists believed that once a spacecraft left the heliosphere, it would enter a quiet, empty void. But Voyager 2's data told a different story. Instead of a silent sea of darkness, it found turbulence, pressure, structure. A boundary not passive but alive, pulsating, shifting, resisting. This wasn't just a bubble. This was a cage. For years, astronomers theorized about the heliosphere, a bubble-like shield formed by the solar wind, protecting Earth from harmful cosmic radiation. But Voyager 2 pierced that illusion. Its instruments revealed something shocking: the bubble isn't uniform. It's being squeezed from the outside, deformed by an invisible pressure, warped by a mysterious force that defies our understanding. Even Voyager 1, with its limited tools, hinted at this anomaly when it detected a magnetic field much stronger than predicted, 2 to 3 times stronger, in fact. But it was Voyager 2, with its more advanced plasma sensors, that confirmed the truth: an external force is pressing against our solar system. And it's growing stronger. What could be doing this? Could it be a distant, undetected star? A rogue planet? A hidden black hole? Or something even more terrifying, a force of nature we haven't yet named? Bill Nye called it a wake-up call to the entire scientific world. And what came next was even more bizarre. As Voyager 2 drifted deeper into interstellar space, scientists expected silence. But instead, it heard something. A faint, continuous hum. A low-frequency vibration echoing through the void, a cosmic whisper coming from the depths of space. It wasn't random. It pulsed. It fluctuated. It responded. Scientists theorized plasma waves could be the culprit. But that explanation only deepened the mystery. Plasma waves, at such regular intervals. It's as if the universe itself is humming a song. Or sending a message. Bill Nye likened it to hearing a radio broadcast in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, where no station should exist. And the real question: what is it trying to say? it didn't stop there. NASA engineers combing through Voyager 2's telemetry discovered something even more disturbing, a repeating pattern. An anomaly buried within the data. A digital heartbeat that pulsed in irregular intervals. At first, they thought it was a malfunction, a glitch from an aging spacecraft. But when they looked back, it had happened before, several times. Always the same pattern. Always in deep space. And never fully explained. Could it be interference from an unknown source of cosmic radiation? Or could it be something more? Some researchers began to whisper a possibility so strange, so taboo, that it barely made it into the official reports: artificial communication. A message? From who? From what? But perhaps the most unsettling discovery was yet to come. Voyager 2, now millions of miles beyond the solar winds and planetary orbits, began detecting something strange. It wasn't a signal. It wasn't light. It wasn't anything we had ever encountered before. It was as if the spacecraft had brushed against the invisible threads of the universe itself, and felt them tremble. The instruments aboard began to record subtle distortions. Not in temperature. Not in magnetic fields. But in something far more fundamental, the very fabric of reality. Tiny fluctuations. Ripples. Tremors in spacetime. These anomalies weren't random. They appeared in patterns, moved with purpose, like the shifting of a massive creature turning in its sleep. They bent the laws of physics. Bent light. Bent space itself. And they weren't static. They moved. Shifted. Warped the invisible grid of the universe in great, sweeping waves. A cosmic tide that Voyager 1, traveling a different path, never encountered at the same coordinates. It was as if Voyager 2 had crossed into a hidden corridor of the universe. A fault line in reality. A wound in space. And what lay beyond? No one could say. Scientists were stunned. The data didn't match any known cosmic phenomena. Not solar winds, not black holes, not gravitational waves from supernovae. This was something else. Something deeper. Something unclassified. What kind of force could twist space and time like this? One theory emerged: a massive, interstellar magnetic field, larger and more complex than anything we've ever mapped, could be exerting pressure from beyond the heliopause, distorting the boundaries of the Sun's domain. Another theory was more unsettling. More haunting. Some began to whisper about interaction with an unknown cosmic structure. A phenomenon we haven't even named yet. Not a thing. But a region. An environment. A ripple from a cataclysmic event light years away. Or perhaps something much closer. Something watching. Something aware. Something that noticed Voyager 2 the moment it crossed the boundary. And allowed it to come closer. Bill Nye, ever the voice of reason and wonder, didn't hold back. He looked at the data with furrowed brows and said, simply, if this data is correct, we're standing on the edge of a truth too big to understand. It sent chills through the halls of science. Because for the first time, we weren't just observing the universe. The universe might be observing us. Voyager 2, silent and determined, drifts on. It is on a direct trajectory toward a region of the galaxy that has never been touched by our instruments. A dark zone. A hidden frontier. A place where light fades and even gravity behaves unnaturally. If its path remains unchanged, the probe will pass by the red dwarf star Ross 248. In about 40,000 years. But long before then, long before that quiet meeting with a distant sun, it will enter a realm dense with strange interstellar particles. A cloud of gas and dust that defies current models. This region isn't just cold. It's different. The very particles here move in unfamiliar ways. Gravity doesn't tug normally, it twists. Time seems irregular. Something here is playing with the laws of physics.